All right, so this is how I make my coffee at home. Of course, you need a glass. I just use a regular glass. And then I put some, actually, I think I got some caramel sauce. Let me see. All right, so I'll put some of this around the glass. Let's see if I can show y'all what holding this. So caramel sauce around the glass, and then I put some ice. All right, so I put ice, and then I put coconut milk. That. And I add my coffee. That. And then I do my creamer, which is this one, which is my favorite. Well, one of my favorites because they do got the coconut milk one. I do like that one, but using this one today. I always struggle with these little tabby things. And it's like since quarantine and everything shut down, I just sleep so late. So I generally don't eat breakfast unless I do like a smoothie or something, but today I needed some coffee. I hate these fucking things. All right. And then I'm gonna just top it off with this. Oh my gosh, y'all. And there you have it. Iced caramel macchiato. Delicious.